How to transfer from Cash App to Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can transfer from Cash App to Coinbase. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to transfer from Cash App to Coinbase, first of all, you have to copy the Coinbase wallet address. So if you're transferring Bitcoin, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address, right? So first open the Coinbase app and then just click on the prices icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. As you can see, then here you simply want to select the Bitcoin or any of the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer to Coinbase. And then once you've done that, you'll find a little trade icon over here or your BTC wallet, right? You just want to tap on that option, and when you tap on that option, again you'll see the QR code icon from the top right hand side. So you want to tap on that QR code icon, and then it will give you your wallet address of BTC or any of the cryptocurrency that you're trying to transfer. So this is like your bank account number. Like, so when you're transferring funds from one bank to another, you need to give them the bank account number. Similarly is the case with the crypto as well. You want to copy this crypto wallet address as well. So you want to just tap on this copy button to copy it. Now once we've copied this, what we can do is we can now launch the Cash App. And once we launch the Cash App, you want to make sure to come to this little dollars icon or the Bitcoin tab from the bottom right. Make sure you're under the Bitcoin tab again, and then here you want to tap on this little arrow icon which you see. Once you tap on the arrow icon here, just enter the dollars worth of BTC that you want to send, and then once you enter them, tap on the send option from the bottom. Now this is exactly where we want to paste the wallet address we copied earlier, right? So over here you just want to make sure to paste that wallet address. When you paste that wallet address, you'll see a confirmation at the bottom. Just select that address, and then you should be able to find the next option. And then once you've done that, just tap on the next button again, and it'll ask you to confirm your withdrawal. Just tap on the confirm button from the bottom of the screen. And this is how you can transfer from Cash App to Coinbase. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.